I went big, I went bold, and I went Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're not new, welcome and thank you for stopping by. I recently bought my first home and I have been sharing videos on how I transform my house to a home and how I flip it. Today's focus is going to be on the kitchen, as you can see in the title, and I am just so excited for this one because I've been wanting to post this for the longest time. I just haven't gotten to it. But I spend a lot of time in the kitchen, so this is a very special place for me and I wanted to feel special. Why did I choose yellow? Well, I've said this before in my previous videos. I love colors. I'm a big fan of colors. I'm a promoter of colors.
2 hours later.
You know, all the fun stuff. Guys, this kitchen is the showstopper of this house. Like, it just hits you in the face and you either love it or you hate it. But guess what? I love it. So here's the outline for this video. I will start with showing you how we painted the cabinets, you know, the process and everything. And then I'm going to show you how I staged the kitchen, which is a fun part, putting all the details and all. Finally, which is the most important part, I will show you how the kitchen transitions to the dining area and how everything ties in together. So make sure you watch till the end to see that, because it'll make more sense what I did and why I did what I did. Before we start, I just want to say a big thank you to 100 subscribers. You guys are awesome. I know it's not a lot, but for me, it is a big milestone. It is a milestone.
1 eternity later.
And I am just grateful and thankful for every single one of you who stops by to watch my video. And for those of you who haven't subscribed, you're still welcome. You know, you're welcome to join the family. Yeah, I am just thankful and grateful, and you guys rock and you guys are awesome. I promise to continue to put out good content for you to enjoy and, you know, keep you entertained. If you want to join me on my journey and seeing how I transform my house, then you're welcome and consider subscribing. Okay, so now let's get to the main reason why you're here and let's get started on this video. You guys, the kitchen, like I said, is a very special place for me, and I had to get extra help because I did not want to mess it up or do it wrong. So Chris was so nice, helped me out, and he did an amazing job. It literally took about 3 days to get this done. Day one was basically just prepping and getting everything out and ready.
Toda esa curiosidad, baby, si se nos da, será lo que será, los dos vamos a matar, toda esa curiosidad. Solo yo sé de ese lunar, solo tú comes el pastel. Con estilo siempre te vas, pero te vienes con placer. Me dijiste no quiero nada, pero quieres todo, mujer. Baby, yo te hago soñar algo más rico que la miel, mi droga que te legalicen. No digamos el pecado, que hay cosas que no se dicen. Y en la piel tú y yo jugando, baby, ¿para qué te dices? Y tú solo dices que quieres más, que matemos la curiosidad. Eso hacemos, baby, si se nos da.
Day two was when he put tape on every place. He covered everything that was not supposed to get paint on it.
Los vamos a matar, toda esa curiosidad. Aquí viviendo roce, estamos solitos, ya son más de las 12. Pegándote bien lento, baby, para que tú goces. No somos algo serio, pero bien si me conoces. Ya, tú eres el antojo de mi vida. De tanto que te pienso ya no encuentro la salida. Pero no somos nada, nada, girl. Pero no somos nada, nada, girl, yeah. Mi droga que te legalice. No digamos el pecado que hay.
And then day three was when he applied the primer on. He used this thing called the spray gun to apply the primer, and he also applied the 3 coats of paint on the same day. So that's what it looks like. Yo, halfway through this, I wasn't sure if I wanted to do it anymore. I was like, what am I doing? But when it was all said and done, I was so happy with the results. This is day 3, you know, we applied 3 coats for better coverage. And then we also painted the kitchen island as well black. So this is what it looks like. It came out amazing. I was so happy with the results. I was so glad I chose the colors that I did. And yeah, so the rest of it is just DIY. I put the kitchen handles myself. I used a drill, and you know, it was actually not too bad. So yeah, that's me just putting the kitchen handles, and I did that for every single door and every single drawer. Yeah, so now we'll get to staging. So here's the kitchen with the kitchen cabinet handles installed, and it looks amazing, even better than how I pictured it. Did you guys notice how the countertop pops more with the black? Here's a picture of what it looks like before. I think it definitely pops more with the black, and the backsplash just ties everything together nicely. 상상만 했던 너의 실루엣이 눈앞에 난 느낌대로 가는 거야. Oh no, baby. 내가 할게 리듬, 넌 내가 시키는 대로 해. 너와 나만 아는 비밀이야, 서로 위로해. 이불을 꽉 쥐어줘, let's roll. Take me to your paradise. Just take me to your paradise. Take me to your paradise, paradise, baby, please. Take me to your paradise. Just take me to your paradise. Take me to your paradise, paradise, baby, please. 취한 걸로 그냥 생각 좀 하고 있어. Yeah, 긴 밤을 지새 너와 보내 그 첫 밤. Yeah, 김이 서려 나와 부딪힌 술잔에. No, no, 가림막 없이 창피하지 않아 자랑해. 네 속이 너무 궁금해 생각해 all day. 내일 밤은 어때? 괜찮은 타임에 꺼내서 보여줘 너의. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. So you guys, that's the end of this video. I will have a separate video for the dining area, so stay tuned and thank you for watching.